Hey folks, this is Mark at Copters and Crawlers RC, Pacific Northwest. Last night I completed some scale, do-it-yourself scale upgrade work. I painted the jack here, which comes normally just red. It's all red. All the scale accessories that come with this truck are red. So I painted the jack yellow and silver with some red. I painted the caps on the gas can silver. I painted the shovel and the axe. Let's see, where's the best light? I painted the axe and the shovel. You know, silver on the axe blade, silver on the shovel blade, and yellow handles, and little red accent trim on there too. I added the double racing stripes on the top, and the boulder stripes on the rear and the sides. All right. So I wanted to do one more scale. Well, not one more, but the next scale upgrade that I wanted to do on this truck is up in here. Now this here, if you look at this, that's a non-functional light bar. It's a light bar, sure enough, but it doesn't work. That's kind of goofy. Seems like they could have put lights in there, but it's okay. It's ready. I think the mount is pretty universally sized. So I actually got some lights for that. And I like the old school, anyway, it came from Amazon here. And I searched on Amazon to try to find this item so I could try to learn how to copy the link to my video and all that. None of that worked out. But I'll give you the part number. I'll give you the part number. So this is from Gool RC. Alright, this is from Gool. Alright, so this is from Gool RC. And the part number on this, so this cost, if I recall correctly, it was under $10. Under $10. Now there's the part number. We'll hold on that for a bit. There we go. There's the part number, and it's from Gool, Gool RC. There's the part number. Once again, it's from Gool RC. You can Google that on Amazon and find this, or rather search for it on Amazon. So when you open up the little package here, let's see what we get. Just a guess. All right, here we go. So let's see what we have in here. We have, that looks like our mounting bracket for sure. Yeah, that's our mounting bracket. And you can see how it's scalloped on the top to accept the round lights. And then the screw, what do you call it? The mounting pin, I guess, if each light goes through there. So this will be installed up in here like this. Let's take this out and see if it's the same size. Let's see if it's the same size as the holes that we already have. Yeah. Alright, let's see. This is not a Ziploc bag. You gotta be careful not to lose the hardware that's in here. That hardware in there that I cannot lose. Let's take this out. So see, yeah, lights looks like go on the top. And this here, I bet it's the same size. I bet it's the same size. Actually, it's not the same size. Let's see, this one mounts here, like that. Yeah, so it goes from corner to corner. So this is quite a bit smaller. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to mount this one there. And rather than removing this, I think I'm going to mount this one on the existing one. That's what I'm thinking about doing. Yeah. So, yeah, not like that. Okay, so we'll think about that. We'll give that some thought. So let's see what else we have in here. There's the hardware. All right. And in here. Yeah. Here's the little stickers that go on the light covers there. Gotta open this up and take a closer look. I'm gonna set this camera down here for a second on the truck. Set it down for a second on the truck there. Alright, open this up. By the way, I sure am enjoying this Redcat Racing Everest Gen7 Pro truck. I sure am. I really, really am. Alright then, so here's what you get is you get 4 of these. You get 4 of these. So there's the cover. Take off the cover. Yes. Take off the cover like that, and there's your light. And then the stickers. See, they give you the stickers, which go on the cover of the light, and the cover goes on the light when not in use. That's pretty cool. And then you've got the hardware to install the lights. And yeah, so it'll be yeah. So these will install right in here like this. It looks like this. Oh, great! That was nicely done. Not nicely done at all. Okay, put that there. Okay, so well, now it's upside down. Come on, I just want to show kind of how it goes. Yeah, so the screw will go through there and through that hole there, so that ultimately these will sit about like that. They'll sit like that, and they'll have all the way across 4 of them. They'll have the covers on them. Okay, and then so all that good stuff. And then here we've got our wires. Oh, here's the lights themselves. Excuse me. Yeah, so you kind of put it together yourself. There's the lights. Right, and so you put each light you put into one of these little fixtures, right, through the back, and then you run screws from the bottom, and this is the bottom, so you run screws through there up to the top of that, and then that will accept the light in there like that, and you put the covers on when not in use if you want, and you're good to go. All right, so there you go. Gool RC light bar upgrade, and yeah, rather than removing the stock fake light bar and then leaving these holes here and then drilling more holes to install this, instead of doing all that, I'm going to go ahead and install this one on top of this one. Yeah, I'm going to use this fake light bar as a mount. Yeah, and I'll probably paint this black and then put the lights up here. All right then. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And thanks for commenting. And yeah, Redcat Racing Everest Gen7 Pro, fantastic truck. And be sure to check out your video if you have this truck. Your video. Be sure to check out my video, please, if you have this truck, because I show you how you can really scale up your included accessories. Really scale them up, cheap and easy. All right. All right. Thanks for watching. This is Mark at Copters and Crawlers RC Pacific Northwest, with the Gool RC light upgrade kit. All right. Have a great day. See you soon.